Hello my friends, welcome to Our Books. Today Our Books is making a video on these books. As you can see on the screen, it is Arihant all-in-one information technology book for class 9. Session is 2020-21 CBSE. First of all, I want to tell you that CBSE has a subject named information technology. The code is 402 and it is a very well known subject, and I have already made many videos on this subject, on this topic, information technology. Good YouTube channel, then preferred books, and this one is one more book. There is one more video in our channel only about this book, but that book is previous version, and this is the newest version, 2020 version. So that video and this video are on the same topic but different year session books. So see this video, you will have the complete review of this book. I will give you that. First of all, I want to tell you that is the publication, Arihant publication. Arihant is a well-known publication, we know, and it is the all-in-one series. All-in-one series is the very much famous series of Arihant. Okay, then its subject is information technology, class 9, and it is following the latest CBSE syllabus. I want to tell you some benefits of this book. The first point is complete insight theory in easy to understand language with figures, snapshots, commands, etc. Textbook questions and other important questions including MCQs, fill in the blanks, true and false, VSA, essay and LA, etc. 5 sample question papers based on latest syllabus and pattern. So what is this lines telling? They are telling that this book completes the insight theory. There are lots of pictures, snapshots, commands, figures, etc. in this book. It gives a complete explanation of the chapter. It questions insight solutions also and other important question also. The questions are in the form of MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, short answer type, long answer type, these things. And at last there are 5 sample question papers. See now. See this book, the code is, I want to tell you, 402. Please remember, code is 402. Don't forget this code. See, writer is, see, Neetu Gaikwad, Shweta Agarwal. I will tell the writer, I will write the writer in description box also. This one, code is 402. Don't forget. CBT 2020-21 Arihant Prakashan. These are some glimpses of this book. I want, yes, this thing is the correct one. Now see chapter C. Communication skills, self-management skills, basic ICT skills, entrepreneurship skills, green skills, ITS industry, data entry and keyboarding skills, digital documentation, electronic spreadsheet, digital presentation. Complete CBSE part. Complete CBSE part. Part A 5 chapters, part B 5 chapters, total 10 chapters. See, this is the CBSE course structure. Okay, then some things, the syllabus is given. Part A, employability skills. I will just show you this chapter, communication skills. First chapter, very much easy chapter, we know, and I am bringing the phone to this mode. Now see, first of all you will get chapter checklist. What is checklist? Checklist gives you the important points or the points to cover. 1 minute. Checklist gives you the important points or the points to cover in a chapter. Okay, checklist gives you these things. See the checklist. It shows communication, perspective in communication. This, all the topics in this chapter are given in this point. Now now what are the benefits of this? While revision you will do, you will just see the points and you will divide the points into 3. You will first revise 3 point, means 3 topic, revise them, completely revised, then other 3, then other 3, these things, or 2 or 1 your. But chapter checklist is very much important. Also I do chapter checklist whenever I start to write a chapter because it helps me a lot during revision. I can divide the chapter in points so that my revision is best. Now we do not have to do this for IT. Arihant is doing. Now at first, in communication skills part, you will first find some some notes of the chapter. These notes are for explanation. If you want to read also from these notes, you can read, no problem. These are notes Complete notes with checklist. Checkpoint means what you have read, according to that some questions. Then checkpoints and again explanation of the chapter. Notes type, these are notes type based on notes. Checkpoint is there. Okay. Then you will find NCERT solution. Every page of NCERT solution you will get. Then summary of the chapter. Then Arihant's made multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, true false, match the columns, short answer type questions. See, there are 9 short answer type questions. Then self assessment. In self assessment also you will be getting multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true false, match the columns, and again short answer type questions. That's what you are getting in each chapter of this book. I want to tell you. First of all, you will get the chapter explanation. Chapter explanation means notes type things. Second, you will get checkpoint, checklists, these things, checklist. Third, you will get NCERT solutions. Fourth, you will get extra questions. Fifth, you will get self assessment, but there are no answers for self assessment, be sure. You will have to make the answers by your, okay, no answers are given for self assessment. A complete revision package, a complete package for studying the subject information technology is given in this book, Information Technology All in One. Okay, you must buy this book. Now what you are getting in the description box of this video, you will be getting the link to buy this book. Okay, also you will be getting one link where I have made, means our books has made one feedback form. You just please, it is my ardent request, you please open that link. You will be getting one Google form link. Fill up that form, give your feedback to our books, give your suggestion to our books, how our books can improve. Our books will surely read all your comments, all your suggestions, and all your feedback, rating. All our books will be, and our books will try to improve any suggestion in that only. Then in the description box you are getting a link to buy this book from Flipkart. Okay, I am giving Flipkart link for the feedback to our books, and one hashtag books are our life. Thank you. For more videos like this, please subscribe our books, and if you have liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment what you want. Thank you.